Hello and welcome to this guided project. My name is Grace Okubo and I am your instructor. This project is for aspiring product managers who are looking to secure a product management role. At the end of this project, you'll be able to build a product roadmap using JIRA and Confluence that clearly communicates your product's vision and strategy to a broad range of stakeholders and demonstrates your understanding of your audience and their motivations. JIRA is the number one software development tool used by agile teams to plan, track, and release great software, and that is the reason why it was selected for this project. I'm a product manager with a background in UI UX design and front-end development, and I'm excited to show you how to use JIRA and Confluence to simplify road mapping and communicate clearly with all your stakeholders. For you to execute this project, you must have a basic understanding of product management and agile methodologies. At the end of this project, you should come up with a document like this. You can easily share this document with your stakeholders either by exporting it as a PNG file or sharing it in Confluence or in some other format. To begin, on the window, click on the Get It Free button. You will see two products from which you can choose to work along with your JIRA software. Click on Confluence because at the end of this process, you're going to be exporting the roadmap you built into a Confluence document that can be shared with your stakeholders. Now click on the Next button. It will take you to a window where it will show you Get Started and ask you to continue with either your Gmail account or sign up with email. If you already have a JIRA account, you can continue with your Google account. But if you don't, you can sign up with your email. I'm going to continue with one of my Google accounts. You can continue with Google. I'll wait for my site to be prepared. It's going to ask me to give the site a name. I'm going to give the site a name like map. Planner. So Workspace, my site's name, Roadmap Planner Coursera. Click on the continue button. Then I'll wait for the site to be set up. It's going to ask me to invite my teammates to my workspace. For the purpose of this demonstration, I won't be inviting anybody, so I'll click on the continue button. It's going to ask me to help set up JIRA. So I'll indicate that I'm new to JIRA. My team is new to agile methodologies. We spend our time working on features and we have a tight schedule to finish our work. Now click on the next button. You can also skip this process. Then it will take me to a window where it will ask me to choose a next-gen template. There's a difference between next generation templates and classic templates, but I'm not going to go into that because next generation templates are easy to set up and to use. Now, for the purpose of this project, we are going to be using a Scrum template because we are going to assume that our team works with Scrum methodology. So we'll click on the Select button. And we're going to give our project a name. I'm going to call this project the Notice that it will give either a 2 or 3 letter key here that's called a project key. Take note of this key because at the end of this process, this key is going to be important. Now click on the Create button and watch your workspace get set up. When your workspace is get up, you're going to land on the board page of your workspace. Now, if you notice, you'll see the name of the project, Hire Now Roadmap, will be written there for you. And the project key will be used to name your board, called the HR board. That is why the project key that was also generated for you is important. This project key will also be used to name issues and to track items that belong to this project. Now, you can close this pop-up window at the right-hand side of your screen because we're not going to use it for now. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your first task. In this task, you learned how to create a workspace for your team in JIRA and how to set up your first project. In the next task, I'll show you how to create your first issue in the backlog.